Hey y'all, it's Sunny Moody, owner of Mood Swing Barbecue, here with B&B Charcoal and the SCA to bring you weekly updates of all things happening in the SCA world. So we're switching things up this week because we want to bring you exclusive news about Worlds that's coming up in just a matter of weeks in Fort Worth, Texas. So let's get started. On Thursday, March 10th, if you are planning on coming into Worlds, load-in begins at 8 a.m. on Thursday morning until 3 p.m. That night is the awesome, so much fun welcome party at the River Ranch Stockyards. They pull out the red carpet. You get to walk down it, have your photos taken, dress up however you want to, however you'll feel comfortable. Joe Wilson is the MC and he always outdoes himself on his outfits. It's hilarious and fun all at the same time. There's dinner, there's awards, and there's dancing. Come hang out with people that you talk to in the group that you don't necessarily get to see all the time. Just have a blast. That is going to be so much fun, and that is on Thursday night. If you need extra tickets, please reach out to the state cook-offs. Email them directly so that you can purchase more tickets for the dinner that night. Friday morning on March 11th is more load-in for people that need to arrive on Friday. But if you're competing in the ancillary, that is the same day. That is the opening rounds in the semifinals for ancillary. They will announce the finalists on Friday evening. But we have something really cool that we want to let you in on. Billy Bob's, the world's largest honky tonk, has actually put a package together for us where after 6 o'clock that night, the cafe is going to be open. You can come and listen to music from Brian Lynn Jones. He'll be playing country dance tunes. You can dance, have some food. There will be professional bull riding. That is a separate entry fee, but there will be professional bull riding. And then at 10 o'clock p.m., John Wolf is going to be singing for us. There's going to be a concert. It's going to be a blast. So you're going to want to come out to Billy Bob's on Friday night, anytime after 6 p.m. for $10. It's going to be so much fun. So if you have any questions about Worlds or about upcoming events, please reach out, comment below because we can answer your questions. Email us, message us, whatever. So let's get into events that are happening this weekend. We have one of the largest events, actually it is the largest event in the West right now. It's got 95 teams signed up. It's the Barbecue TV Roll the Dice in Vegas Steak Cook-Off. Come out to Vegas, have a blast. We're leaving it open until noon on Wednesday, so get signed up now. There is going to be a dual steak as well as a burger ancillary with SCA rules. But on top of that, each steak payout is going to be $1,500. So it's a great payout. They are also going to be doing a side competition of a monster burger where you have a chance at winning $200 for creating the best, beautiful, awesome, outstanding monster burger. You need to bring a platter that's no larger than 18 inches. Just stack this thing high, stick a knife in it, stick some skewers in it. You can garnish, but it's not necessary, and it does not have to be edible because this one does not go by the SCA rules. It will be judged by celebrity judges, which is going to be fun. The only thing is it has to be able to stand on its own. We don't want any leaning towers of burgers happening, but we want to see your awesome creations. What can you come up with? Really, really cool things. Be creative. That is going to be a blast. So get signed up for the Barbecue Roll the Dice in Vegas contest this weekend. It's on Saturday. I hope to see you there. I will be there. There's going to be obviously 95 teams. Let's see if we can get it over 100. On Friday evening, though, in Apopka, Florida, there is going to be a steak and it looks like they're doing a kids New York strip steak and a taco ancillary. So bring your family, come out Friday night, grill up a steak and a taco, and let your kids cook a steak. That should be super fun. That's this Friday night, February 11th in Apopka, Florida. And if you want to go up to Iowa and freeze this weekend in Rockford, Iowa, for the love of steak, they're going to be doing a dual steak competition. So steak A and steak B, there's not going to be any ancillaries. Go have fun, cook a steak in the freezing cold, and have a lot of fun. Riley's Hometown Revolution is going to be doing a cook-off in LaGrange, North Carolina, also this Saturday, February 12th. They're going to be a dual steak, burger ancillary, chicken wing ancillary, and a kids grilled cheese ancillary. So bring your whole family because there's something for everyone to cook. Come out, get creative, have fun, get signed up for the competition this weekend. We hope to see you on the trail. It's going to be a blast. Now, let's talk about what happened this past weekend in the competitions. So in Puyallup, Washington, they actually did 3 days of steaks, a single steak each day. So in first place, Juan Enriquez took home first place and his golden ticket. In the second competition, Chris Snotts took home first place and his golden ticket. And Alex Marco took home first place and his golden ticket. And that was in Puyallup, Washington this weekend. Congratulations to all who heard their call or who heard their name called. And we also had one other competition in Decatur, Alabama. They did a Kids Q burger, which Nathan Anderson took home first place. They did a hurricane drink, which Catherine Noble took home first place and her golden ticket. They did a red beans and rice. And Catherine Noble again took home first place, and she passed down the golden ticket to Scott Boyers. They also did a dual steak. So in steak A, Marty Plute, he's on a roll, guys. This is incredible. That's 3 weeks in a roll. 3 weeks in a row. Yeah, he is on a roll. But he passed down the ticket to Larry Alford. And in steak B, Miss Sandy Brown took home first place and her golden ticket. Congratulations to everybody who heard their name called this weekend. It's so much fun. We hope to see you on the trail soon. So let's move on to the points chase. So starting off in steak, we do have the updated points chase. In 10th place, we currently have a three-way tie. Rory Martindale, Chad Berrigan, and Alta Hertz, all with 22 points. In 10th place, oh, sorry, that was 10th place. In 9th place, we have Lindsay McDonald with 23 points. In 8th place, we have Bridget Johnson with 23 points. In 7th place, we have Sunny Moody, that's me, with 25 points. In 6th place, we have Larry Alford with 26 points. In 5th place, we have Mr. Tim Brown with 29 points. In 4th place, we have John Pendray with 30 points. In 3rd place, we have Jason Hertz with 31 points. In 2nd place, we have Sandy Brown with 34 points. And with a huge, huge first place lead, we have Mr. Marty Plute with 59 points. So congratulations to everybody who is in the steak top 10 currently. Let's see who's in the ancillary top 10. Currently in 10th place, we have Mr. Chad Whittington with 17 points. In 9th place, we have George Logue with 18 points. In 8th place, we have Nakia White with 18 points. In 7th place, we have Dwayne Anderson with 19 points. In 6th place, we have Scott Boyers with 20 points. In 5th place, we have James Cruz with 22 points. In 4th place, we have Daryl Walker with 23 points. In 3rd place, we have Craig Carter with 26 points. In 2nd place, we have Miss Christy Jones with 31 points. And in 1st place, we have Miss Catherine Noble with 38 points. Congratulations to everybody who is in the ancillary top 10. It's so much fun to see your name pop up in these top 10s and watch and continue to see how these people continue to do on the steak trail. So let's get you excited for these upcoming competitions that are over a week out. So on February 18th, that's going to be a Friday night. In Young Harris, Georgia, they're going to be doing a steak and a dessert ancillary. So get your thinking caps on, because dessert, you could turn in anything. Cheesecake, pudding, cookies, ice cream. If you figure out how to do ice cream, you better let me know. But that would be really cool. And then on Saturday, still in Young Harris, Georgia, they're going to do a dual steak along with anything Wamplers. So if you are coming to Worlds and you're competing in ancillary and steak, this would be a great practice round because you get to compete in two steaks as well as test out your recipe for anything with Wampler sausage. That is on February 19th in Young Harris, Georgia. So get signed up for that. Um, Also on February 18th, which is that Friday night, it's going to be Winter Haven, Florida. They're doing a chain of lake steak cook-off. They're doing one steak and chicken wings, and that's on Friday, February 18th. So get creative with your chicken wings, teriyaki wings, fried wings, bacon wrapped wings, whatever you do. Get signed up for that one. That'll be fun, and it should be warm in Florida. But if you want to go and freeze your bones off at the Frozen Bones Steak Cook-Off in Vandewine, Wisconsin on February 19th, get signed up because they're going to be doing one steak and chili to warm your bones. So get signed up. It should be a lot of fun. It's fun to see these pop up in Wisconsin and other places that we don't see them very often. It will be cold, so make sure you take your jacket, but that will be fun. Get signed up now so the promoters can get their steaks ordered. Now, if you want to head down south where it's a little bit warmer, you can head to Texas. On that same day, February 19th, they're going to be doing a dual steak in Liberty, Texas, plus a dessert at the Mardi Gras Madness Steak Cook-Off. You can do two steaks. Again, get creative with dessert. Let me see what you're coming up with. And in Canyon, Texas, on the same day, February 19th, A-Town Hammer Throwdown, A-Town Hammer Down Steak and CBA Barbecue Cook-Off. This one is going to benefit the Steaks for Sheepdogs. They're doing a dual steak plus an anything egg roll. So I'll give you a secret. That's anything you can fit in a wrapper and call it an egg roll. And they're doing a kids New York strip steak. So get your family out, come be creative, let your kids cook, learn how to cook a New York strip steak, have fun, and get signed up for this awesome cause. Again, that is February 19th in Canyon, Texas. We are super excited to be bringing you the SCA news, all things happening in the SCA world, and exciting things coming up with the World Championships. I'm Sunny Moody with Mood Swing Barbecue, here with B&B Charcoal and the SCA. Let us know if you have any questions. Pop them in the comments below, and we'll see you down the trail soon. Bye.